guys, what's good? It is Technique Dagen.
Technique Dagen.
Technique Dagen.
Are you sure?
We are on the way to this market. Maya's taking me here. We're gonna see. It's a day out for us. It's a Sunday.
Yes.
We've had some waffles.
Oh, we had chicken and waffles.
So good. So
good.
delicious.
And now ready for a day in the town.
Day in the town. Oh, it's muddy out there.
Oh yeah.
And the rain. So guys, we are gonna see as well what strangers we can get. I bet you it's gonna be interesting out here, but I'm doing strangers, yes.
Okay.
This is gonna be the first YouTube video going on Sweden, so for Sweden, yeah.
Shout out to Sweden.
Shout out to Sweden.
Lands. We're in the Värmland.
Exactly.
Okay?
Yes. Saga, say what's up to the vlog. It was like being in a movie, no? Where are we again?
Värmland.
Värmland.
More specifically, this area is called Scotland.
It's like Scotland. Yeah.
Yeah.
Scotland, yeah. We're in Scotland, yeah. Gone. Look, we had these green tags, but it looks like Maya was. It looks like Maya snuck in here. She snuck in here. Maya just said, "I love it. I have one of these for Jackie," which is her dog. Hey, sorry.
Hey.
I'm doing. Do you understand English?
Yeah,
Some?
I do.
Nice, perfect.
I think so.
Enough. So I have a YouTube channel, and I take pictures of strangers when I like their look.
Oh.
And I wanted to see if I could get a portrait of you here, maybe with the car. Yeah, and I can send it to you as well after. You like
My channel is Wood Jesse Warner, but in Swedish, he and Golf Spanner.
you have a channel?
Yeah.
For yeah?
I haven't put anything up there, you know, for
Oh, you need to get back on the. Okay, so this one, yes, maybe looking up in this direction. Yeah. Yes, perfect. Like a little bit here. And can we try one more, maybe this side? Oh yes, with the Swedish flag even, that looks cool. Yeah. Boom, that's the shot. Check this out, look.
looking old.
But they look good, no? They look good. Maybe one more here with the, just stand here by the flag. Yeah. Yes, I guess. I'll send you the pictures, they're gonna be fire.
Okay.
Okay, have a good day. See you later, bye. Guys, what's up? Maya has a bro store where we are looking for some outfits. Oh, Maya, we're rolling. Oh, she's found something. Man, they are rocking.
I have to try this thing.
I feel like you guys have better outfits than me. I found one though.
Oh, did you?
But these look cool, yeah.
I'm just like, I just was thinking like in a field.
Yeah,
with, like,
amazing.
The texture.
I love
like
it.
the color and like the reflection.
Yeah, yeah. And what's this place called again? The Cultural Center?
Cultural Center. The Cultural Center is the entire place, but this actual, I don't think she has a name.
She's filming and I'm doing another pictures of strangers here in this small place, which is really cool. Everyone thought it was going to be hard, but look, they were so happy to do it. So I got a photo of her and her family and they were so nice. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the home.
This is the spot. This is the countryside of Sweden. But make it chic.
Yes, we're making it chic. It looks really good. They're like in the middle of nowhere basically, but it's like super nice out here. So beautiful, so fresh.
Yeah.
Birds are chirping.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, I am.
What do you like the most about being here?
I guess just the food and no, it's like really chill. It's just nice to like just be here with you guys, to chill, be in the country and just enjoy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
markets.
The markets, but the most impressive to me is the silence.
Yeah, the silence.
Like it's just like I can hear my thoughts.
Well, you guys know when I'm filming at home in Barcelona, it's like the motorbikes are just going past 24/7, so it's so nice out here. And we have Max out here. He's cooking the meatballs. We have Saga.
Say hey.
Hey, and here I am. I'm
And
Max. I'm
yes.
married to Maya. If you haven't checked our YouTube channel out, Max and Maya Living, where you get the whole dance story of our countryside living.
Exactly, they have it all here.
I'm currently in the kitchen where I like to be, and I'm making. This has turned into sort of a tradition made by moi. When we have an international guest, I always want to make mashed potatoes with Swedish meatballs, gravy, and lingon. So we got the lingon jam over here. These berries were picked like this morning in our forest here.
Guys, check out this super amazing feast. We're not in a restaurant. We are not in a restaurant. I know that's what you guys think. Oh, here comes the gravy pour. Oh, yes, Maya.
That's the 60 frames per second version.
Country Maya is out. Country Maya is out.
This is giving you, what is that show called? On Netflix? This is giving you...
I don't know, what's it about?
Bridgerton. This is giving you Bridgerton. We're not going for Bridgerton, we're going for like country core. Victoria A. Brown for the dress, for the win. Now to accessorize.
We love it.
We love it.
We love it, mate.
We love
Norway.
Norway.
Norway, mate. You look amazing.
Norway.
Aussies, drop a comment. Drop a comment. Here we are in the location. We've just moved Maya. What's up, Maya? We've just moved Maya. Look, there's our little lake.
There's our little pond.
It's our pond. So that's what it looked like from that. So you're like getting down. I'm like, she having a drink? So for this shoot here, guys, we're actually doing a tutorial. We did a few pictures and it was a creative photo shoot idea. For this one, we have the full tutorial on Instagram, so you guys can check that out. Hey, pigs. Hello.
There's some skinny pigs.
Yeah, they need some food.
Jackie.
So basically, guys, we just want to make a chaotic city girl shoot. Like, she's just been dropped in the middle of the city. She has no idea where she is.
I have no idea where I'm
She doesn't know who she is anymore.
Who am I?
So this shoot, guys, was so dope. This was like one of the main shoots that I wanted to do when I was coming out here. And basically, I was inspired because Maya is like, if you don't know her story, she has an amazing story. But she built this mad YouTube just out there career on her way to 1 million subscribers in LA and just killed it in so many different things that she did. And now she's living in the middle of nowhere in Sweden. So it's basically about a city girl coming all the way out here because this is country as hell, you guys. So it doesn't get any more country than this. And yeah, it was about bringing these two things together. And even a neighbor got involved. I absolutely love this shoot. Everybody on IG loved this shoot. You guys should definitely check out this reel. It is iconic. And Maya, I love you, girl. This was sick. I love this so much. He's throwing orange. Okay, guys, check it out. We have our set. Shoot here, Maya wanted to do a kind of like a colorful shoot with her daughter Saga, and her husband Max. So we pulled this one off and I was like, what vibes am I getting? I feel like this is like Dr. Zeus vibes. It came to me. Don't you guys agree? She's like crocheting. He's with the film camera, smashing the oranges. But anyway, this was fun. This was like just here in the garden. She's like, no. Saga, Saga. Oh, sit on. Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back. So this morning we out. We're doing a wet t-shirt competition. Been waiting for that sun, but it is not coming. So we're just gonna do a shoot here in the rain. Boom, shoot is done, guys. So many good shots. I love them. And these puddles.
The man behind the lens is in front of the lens.
Exactly, we changed it. Now I'm gonna have a cold shower. A cold shower. Now I'm gonna have a warm shower. Then we are going to a restaurant for lunch. Okay guys, shoot done. We are showered. We're ready to rock on. Where are we going, guys, at the moment? We're on the way to a restaurant.
Area called Tivet. What's the restaurant called? Lathendal?
It's like it's called Lanthandel, which means like country grocery. It's like what they call grocery stores that sells necessities for people in the countryside. But there's a restaurant in that store, basically.
Yes, it's like a little bodega. That's what I.
Oh, nice. Bodega. We're going back to Spain, guys. Yeah. We're going back to Spain.
You'll probably get some Spanish sausages there or something.
Okay, let's go.
They're actually influenced by Spain a lot.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, and thanks so much, guys, for helping me with the the rain shoot. That was fun.
You
Yes.
inspired us, Brad. You're inspiring. You're
super inspiring.
productive. Your productiveness is inspiring, and it's
Your creativity and willingness to like get the shot.
Just gotta get the
Just
shot.
go get it.
Anything to
No
get the shot.
excuses.
No.
Get the shot. This is special.
Yes.
In the middle of a tiny town called TVA.
Mine is really good too. But, no, super good.
And these ones are plums. Oh, they're so small.
Oh, they're good.
Are they? Gracias.
Get the super dark ones.
This is a hard one. This became my favorite meal of like all time, even now. They are so kind because they knew I was like just going crazy about these waffles. So for my last night, they made them again. But I mean, fried chicken and maple, what a genius. Morning. Yo, Max.
Morning.
Morning. Okay guys, so basically this is going to be the end of my trip here with Max and Maya. We're going to be like, this isn't the journey finished yet because we're going to Stockholm now while Maya's dropping me to some like little village in the middle of nowhere. She's putting me on a train and she's getting my ass out. So
Get out!
So it's not the end of the journey, but while I was here, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for the trip. It's been amazing and it's been so good spending time with you guys.
Yeah,
It's been so good having you here.
Yeah, so really guys, like before this, I spent a weekend with Maya really in Barcelona, and then I guess we just stayed in touch online and stuff. And met Max, I guess, through Maya too. And yeah, it's been so much fun. I've loved it, like the peace, the quiet, and just hanging with you guys and stuff.
I also want to say that I'm so grateful that Brad came over here. You came over here because I have recently, I don't know if Maya can relate, but I personally have been feeling like isolated. And in that isolation, I felt like lack of creativity and productivity. So you coming in here is like a blessing for me. I'm not going to speak for both, but I think Maya can agree with that too, that you've brought like this opportunity and reminder that regardless where you are, you can always create. It's in your mind. Like, don't let the circumstances be the obstacle. Just fight it yourself through your mind, and thank you for that, bro.
I was gonna say, you viewers that have access to him in his videos all the time, take all the inspo, because he's literally oozing and pouring inspo and creativity. Smashing it. He's going up to strangers on the countryside, yo. He's doing it. So thank you. Very shameless. I love it.
Yes, you guys have to. So I'll leave like all of the details as well in the description. But you have to check out too. So Maya has a channel. They have a channel about living here too. Together. And also we did like some crazy reels. If you guys haven't seen them on IG yet, like some super fun like fashion stuff here in the middle of nowhere. We got even some locals in there.
We got some features.
Exactly. So
thank you, Brad.
Love you guys and
thank you. I don't want to go make up my shirt. Think of my hair. Okay.
Mira, I'm leaving with a souvenir.
See you in Barcelona.
See you in Barcelona.
Be shameless.
Yes.
Be shameless.
Jackie,
where are you?
And we gotta go because now we got a train to catch.
Yes, literally.
And oh yeah, they would have seen, but Maya got a tick this morning. She was screaming.
Insert tick shot here. I have never. I've been on the countryside for 3 years, and never have I ever had a tick bite.
Well, I have a tick, so now you need one. Wait.
This is so scary.
Oh, he's in deep. Oh, wait. How is this so deep?
Take it. I'm so grossed out.
Insert tick shot here. Tick screaming video.
TikTok.
We have wiggle room. 6 minutes left on the way to the station.
Oh, we're gonna miss you.
It's been fun.
It's been so much fun. Everyone needs them a Brad. Who's your Brad?
Who's your Brad? So we started this journey in the rain and we're ending this journey in the rain as well.
Yeah, but at least you got some rain shots.
True. You guys, well, you probably have seen them. You have seen them. If you haven't, go to my IG and see them. Wakey,
Go, bro. You know you need to boot up.
It's time to wake up. He's awake. Okay, guys, we're at the train station now. now it's over.
We smashed it.
We smashed it.
Boom.
Boom, smashed it. Lattes.
We'll miss you.
And we'll see you guys.
Come back.
See you guys in
We'll
the next
come
place.
visit you. Yeah.
Yo guys, what's up? Okay, we are here. I made it to Stockholm. Man, I just had something to eat and the guy gave me like such a big helping, and then after when I went to pay, he was like, no, you don't have to pay. I was like, really? He's like, yeah, don't worry. It's like, gracias. Stockholm, you ain't that bad after all. So I'm gonna get a coffee now, and then after we are gonna find some strangers. Hey, excuse me? Sorry, I love your look and I'm doing pictures of strangers for YouTube. So I wanted to see if you wanted to get a portrait. It'll be like really quick.
Okay, one photo.
Yeah, sure. So I'm thinking maybe just here. I'm like on my way. I have a flight like very soon. It's my last day in Sweden. Okay, perfect. So maybe, but do you want to do it without the umbrella?
Okay.
Yeah. So I think, where are you from? Here, Stockholm? I have no idea. Is it like around here?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, this one. So just stand just over here. Yeah. And then let me get one like this, like, yeah, your hand out. Yeah, perfect. Love it. Stay there. Nice. Give me a bit of a, yes, awesome. Stay there. And then one like looking in this direction. Yeah, just up here. Yeah, and a bit of like a bit of a serious look. Give me the like, yeah. Yes, amazing. Stay there. Perfect. And then one like slowly just walking towards me this way. Everyone's like, who is she? Wait, what?
Because I'm just walking towards.
Yeah. Okay, yes, love it. Yes, it's gonna be super cool.